Good afternoon, Mr. President. As a former senator, what are your thoughts on the proposal to amend the Senate rules to allow online voting?
All right. As a former senator, I suppose I'm reasonably qualified. I disagree with that. I understand that we had to do it in COVID because there was a health risk. But I do not see any particularly good reason for us to allow it now.
Flashback.
Para naman sa bahagi ng pamahalaan, simula sa Lunes, ikasyam ng Marso, pansamantala nating ipapatupad ang 4-day work week sa ilang tanggapan ng ehekutibo. Hindi kabilang dito ang mga nagbibigay ng emergency o pangunahing serbisyo gaya ng mga pulis, bumbero at mga tanggapan na nagbibigay ng frontline services sa publiko. Bukod pa rito, inaatasan ko ang lahat ng ahensya ng ating pamahalaan na magtipid at magbawas ng 10 hanggang 20% sa konsumo ng kuryente at gastos sa petrolyo. Pansamantala ring ipinagbabawal ang mga biyahe at aktibidad ng pamahalaan na hindi naman kinakailangan gaya ng mga study tour, team building activities o mga meeting na maaari namang gawing online.
This is stated in your mandate, and the President also wrote that, in fact, there would be a cutting back in government agencies to 4 days. However, I am in possession of Department Order DO 2026-03-0006, under which the department, through the order of the Secretary, has adopted only 2 days of on-site work per week, with only 50% of DOE officials and employees reporting. And the rest is all work from home.
I do not see any particularly good reason for us to allow it now.